guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to review the Rowin Noise Gate. If you want to sound professional, you got to have a noise gate, especially if you're playing metal where it's like high gain. It just kind of hushes the noise, that's it. You know, if you're on a budget and you just want to spend maybe 30, 40 bucks, this is the way to go. I'm playing through Marshall 1 watt head, right, DSL 1 watt head. And there's only two controls on here. One is basically the sweep knob, right? So I set it at 9 o'clock and then I set it at soft instead of hard. For some reason, it's just kind of, I think, complements the Marshall, but it does color the sound just a tiny bit. Tell me if you can hear this. So this is on. I'm gonna turn it off. I don't know, I can hear just a tiny bit, right? Especially when you're doing a lot of high gain stuff, but it just cuts out that kind of that hum. Basically, that's all it is. So what I'll do is I'll just play some stuff with and without it, and then it's hardly noticeable, but then it's like I said, when you turn it up, when you're playing with a band, it's probably more noticeable. That I played with guys that maybe didn't know about a noise gate, and then it's just it's that, you know, annoying feedback that you get, and it just doesn't sound professional. I play some Slayer with the noise gate on. Without the noise gate. Oops. It's just so awkward to play like this because I'm sitting on a drum stool and then I'm just like, man, I can't get a handle on this thing. Okay, all right, so without the noise gate, it's going to sound like this. Okay, so I just think it just makes it sound a little bit more professional, especially when you're playing high volume, high gain, which is basically metal. And then this is the hard position. So it's a little bit of a difference. So it's almost like a little bit of an EQ added there, where it clips it hard and soft, so you get a little bit more brightness, right? But I think it kind of thins it out too much, so I do like that soft position better. So I'm going to switch it back to the soft position. So I'll show you what it. So the hard position. That's why people hate Flying V's, because they're so hard to play. Now we're in the soft position. I'm gonna play the same thing again, that Megadeth song. I don't know, whatever your preference is. But I would say, yeah, I mean, you know, if you have a band and then you're going full blown, you know, you're all going full out, you know, playing shows and stuff, maybe you want to get the $130 version, you know, of like different noise gates that are more expensive and more known. But I think if you're just playing, if you don't have a band, which is basically most of us, because even if you form a band, you can't hold it for more than a couple of months. So once you realize that hey, I can't even hold a band together, which is, like I said, 99.99% of us, maybe this will do, like $30, $40. So this, you actually have to buy a power supply, and I bought that for $10, so it can't take a battery. So the whole thing cost me 50 bucks, 39 bucks, and then $10 for the power supply that you can pick up at Amazon, I think. And that's pretty much it. So I will just keep playing, I guess. So with the noise gate. One thing I learned from this is that don't sit on a drum stool and play a flying V. All right, see you guys later.